What's up? This is Andrew from Trail Runner Customs, and today we're excited to announce our new Lexus LX470 TRD-style grills. These grills fit all Lexus LX470 models 2003 to 2007. So now we have the new LX470 grill in front of us, and today we're going to go over a little bit of what comes in the box, some general product information, and the assembly of the product. So first, the grill, the lights, and the grill insert all come in the box. This one also has the harness in it, and then the screws come in this box. Looking at the lights themselves, we can go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, we have the open-end wire harness. It has the 4 connectors. It connects clip onto the lights, and then the open-end positive and negative ends on the harness. And then the 4 amber lights themselves. These amber lights snap into the grill in any one of these open hexagon shapes. We'll go over how to install them in a second. And then this box here has the grill insert and screws. This is a silver Lexus insert. Comes with our 470 grill, and then screws will slide on out. So yeah, it comes in a nice little plastic bag here. Taking this out, here we have the insert. It's got the nice Lexus logo, metallic silver color. Putting this down. These are just some screws for installation, bolting it to the hood, and some other screws here. And then finally, in the box, we have the last screws here, which are for fastening the insert onto the back of the grill. So we're gonna go over that now. So taking the 4 little black screws out of this bag, it comes with 2 longer ones and then the 4 shorter ones, and you're going to need the 4 shorter ones. So once you have those out, what you want to do is take your grill and flip it over, just like this. And then you take your Lexus insert and flip it over. Notice how there's little slots in the back here. They slide into here and hold the grill steady, and then the 4 screw holes line up with the 4 holes on the back. So it just easily drops in like that. Should be a snug fit. And then next you take your screws. These are Phillips head screws. You grab your screwdriver and you just fasten them down like this. Alright, so now that I have all 4 of the screws fastened in, we can flip the grill back over. And as you can see, the nameplate is nice and secure. So to install the orange amber lights, the only thing you need to do is pick a full hexagon shape like I talked about, and you just slide it in and clip it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do these 2 and then these 2 in order to keep it like nice and symmetrical in the middle. So installing it, here's what you do. You take the wire clip here, you slide it through the hole that you want the light to go in, and then you evenly push down and it just snaps right in. So here's another one right here. And then we're going to put our last 2, one in right here. Again, just pushing down until I hear the snap. And the final one on this last side. Alright, so that is the installation of the amber lights. Now just a reminder, these do hook up to the wiring harness, and then you can wire this to and add a fuse or something like that. Like I said, this fits all LX470 models 2003 to 2007. That's pretty much it. So check this out. You can find us on trailrunnercustoms.com or the link in the description. Elevating the style of your vehicle does not have to be difficult. Check out the link in our description today.